Dorman Products Top Parts Overview Video, a monthly announcement on new formerly dealer-only parts. Our growing category of remanufactured transmission control modules, also known as TEHCMs, now fit a large population of more than 7 million vehicle applications on the road today, including new coverage for Cadillac, Chevrolet, and GMC models from 2013 to 2011. These modules combine the transmission control valve, or TEHCM, valve body solenoids, pressure and temperature switches into one consolidated unit. They are located just inside the transmission pan. No special tools are required. Dorman's TEHCMs are completely remanufactured and tested, a process that includes 100% replacement of gaskets, grommets, and seals. Each Dorman TEHCM unit is pre-programmed to match the vehicle's VIN, requiring no additional programming or special tools during installation. Also new this month from Dorman is our growing line of direct-fit stainless steel brake hydraulic lines, fitting a wide variety of popular Chevy and GM truck applications from 2007 to 2006. To help correct the highly rust-prone nature of original brake lines, Dorman's brake lines have been upgraded to stainless steel material to resist corrosion and to provide a longer service life. Dorman's stainless steel brake hydraulic lines are preformed to specific applications, saving you time and money by eliminating the bending, cutting, and flaring associated with bulk brake line tubing. Additionally, our brake line kits include all lines and fittings necessary for a complete brake line repair. Dorman now offers a new direct replacement turbocharger wastegate solenoid for popular Ford diesel truck applications from 2010 to 2003. The turbocharger wastegate solenoid controls the turbocharger vane position in the turbo system. This direct replacement is an essential component to the turbo system. Additionally, this new part includes a mounting bracket and bolt for a complete and convenient repair. Reduce repair cost and installation time with Dorman's center console hinge repair kit, now available for a wide variety of Toyota Corolla applications from 2008 to 2002. Now you can replace just the failed hinge instead of the entire console lid assembly, saving time, money, and labor. Also, to assist with installation, this direct replacement kit includes all necessary hardware for a complete center console hinge repair. Also new this month is our new dashboard air vent for Chevrolet, GMC, and Oldsmobile applications from 2005 to 1998. Original air vents typically fail due to heat, causing the plastic to warp and eventually becomes brittle and cracks. Dorman's direct replacement dashboard air vents are constructed of durable plastic material, ensuring continuous control over airflow direction. Also available this month, Volvo drive shafts, suspension shock mounting kit, Chrysler HVAC heater hose connector, Xenon headlight control module, Mazda transmission range sensor, brake caliper bolt kits, and power seat track repair kits.